Hi friends, today is Monday, August 31st, and we have 2 more days of exploring all of our online tools. And today, let's check out what we're going to be exploring. Your PowerPoint says week of August 31st. I think it might have cut out there. So this week is the week of August 31st, and you only have Monday and Tuesday. And the reason is, starting on Wednesday, we're going to be using a different kind of tool that might not look like Google Slides. It might look a little bit different. So let's click on Monday. You're not going to click on Tuesday because it's not Tuesday yet. And we've got a classroom. Do you see somebody new in this classroom that might not have been there last week? Yeah, Gumbo's here. Gumbo's here. He's stretching. He's doing some yoga. So it says today is Monday, August 31st, 2020. Find the clock and click on it for today's lesson. Now, I'm not going to show you where the clock is. I'm going to pause my recording so you can find it on your own. And then I'm going to press play on my recording when I found the clock and clicked on it. All right, so I've clicked on the clock and I see today's lesson. And today's lesson is about analog clocks. And it says click here. So I'm going to click there to see where it takes me. And I see an online tool of clocks. Now the first part's a little bit wonky like that, but then it should take you to this. I might also ask you for your cookies and just accept, that's fine. So on my clock here, I see a lot of different really cool things. I don't want you to worry about right here where it says hours and minutes, and we're going to keep it at mode time. We're not going to click real time because that's not going to help our thinking. And this dice, all this dice does is take you to a random time. We don't really need to use that for today, and I don't want you to worry about what that says down here. This should always be on 12 because that means we're going to be using our regular time, or off. And off means you're going to use it on your own, and then you can think, what time does it show? And then you can click 12 and it'll show you that time. So I'm going to click off so I can use my brain first, because I know that if I use my own brain for thinking, then that'll help my brain grow faster than if it just gives me the answer. So I want to make sure that it's off. So what are you going to do when you first go to this website? What should you click first? That's right, you should click off. You should click off. Nice. So now that I've clicked off, I want to make sure that when I'm moving my hands around, I start with the minute hand. That's the super, super long and skinny hand, or this green hand right here. The short hand is for my hours. That's right, how many hours are there in my day. And finally, the skinny, skinny blue hand is for seconds right here. So I've got my minute hand, and that's the only one I want to use. Let's just see what would happen if I tried to use the hour hand to find the time. Whoa! 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 That's way too crazy for me. No way, Jose. So I'm going to click reset and only use my minute hand. I'm going to have it start at 12 o'clock, just like that. Now that I've got it at 12 o'clock, and I can even check by clicking 12, yep, 12 o'clock, turn it back off. Let's go back to see what our lesson is today and what it's asking us to do. Move the minute hand and hour hands to explore. Check. Now it shows 7:15. I know it goes hour, ... minute. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to move my minute hand until my hour is a little bit past the 7. So I'm going to go around. Now I'm at 7 o'clock, and I know that each of these is counting by 5, so I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Now let's check our work by clicking 12. 7:15, I was correct. Now I want you on your own to show 3:30 and then show 8:15. Once you've shown 8:15, you're going to take a screenshot. So you can click screenshot and it tells you which buttons to press on your computer. It should come up as a little picture right here in the bottom of my screen where I just moved Miss McIntyre. That's where your picture is going to come up. Then you can see the download and upload it to Google Classroom. And I will include the video there about how to upload your screenshot onto Google Classroom. You should have already done that about 3 times last week, so I know you guys are going to be experts. Have a lot of fun with the clock today, and have a good Monday.